What's good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy JP back with another video. For those of you that watch my channel, you probably have realized at this point that I haven't posted in a long time. I haven't been posting consistently like I used to. The reason being is I did start a new job. Okay, most of you know that. Most of you know that I'm a car salesman now. And I just don't have a lot of time, if I'm being 100% honest. This is Ella, by the way. I think you guys have probably seen her before. But I'm going to try to make videos at least one a week. I do want to continue to grow on YouTube and hopefully make some money out of this. I put a lot of work in at this point. Those of you that are new, consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like, because I will be posting videos like this and other unboxing videos. So, yeah, I've done like 4 or 5 Duncan Mystery Boxes. This is the September, or did this come out in August? I'm not 100% sure, but it's been here for like a week and a half. I just haven't made the video because I haven't had time, but I'm finally making it, so hopefully you guys enjoy. Without further ado, let's get right into this. Alright, so there's a hat in here. That's very strange. Okay, you guys don't need to see this. Oh my god, we got a face diaper in here. Okay, boom, there's a little sneak peek. Ella obviously is getting a little sneak peek as well. So first and foremost, looks like we might have another flag. Don't know where I'm going to hang that one, but first off we have a Virginity Rocks mask. Masks are kind of going away in most states except for good old New York, so might be needing this soon because we'll probably go into another lockdown. We got a 50% off those Virginity Rocks hoodies. I'm not going to use that, so one of you can use that. One of you can use that code right there. Go get 50% off a hoodie. You're welcome. Let me know in the comments if you got that. So up next we got a I Love Hot Moms lanyard, which I probably won't use. I'll probably give it to someone just because I don't want a lanyard on my keys at the moment. But rip open this flag, see what's in here. Alright, so over here we got the I Love Hot Moms flag. Not really sure if I'll be hanging this or if maybe I'll give it to someone, or maybe I'll give this as a giveaway. Ella, that's not your stuff. Stop digging in there. But yeah, that's pretty dope. I mean, the flags are definitely a good piece that they give out in these. This definitely isn't as good quality as the American flag one, which I don't know if you guys can even see that over there, but definitely not as good quality. Up next we got the Beavis and Butthead. I believe this is Beavis and Butthead. If it's not, clown me in the comments, but I'm pretty sure this is Beavis and Butthead. Short sleeve. Wow, this is a nice, actually, pretty good quality shirt right here. Virginity Rocks Beavis and Butthead shirt. I've never even seen, is Beavis and Butthead a show? Like, if it is, I've never seen it. Clown me in the comments. Honestly, I don't care, but I don't think I've ever seen it. If it's a TV show, I've never seen it, but on to the next thing. We got this trucker hat right here. I look absolutely stupid as hell in these because I got a pin head, but we'll try it on, show you guys. Alright, so I just took it out of the packaging. Just the Danny Duncan head on here. I don't look good with these kinds of hats. I don't know why, I just have a pin head.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Backwards it doesn't look horrible, but forwards I don't really think I can pull it off. I have a super skinny ass head, so yeah. On to the last thing. If this is a crew neck, it'll be pretty sick, but no. Okay, so lastly, in the box, we do have, it is a hoodie. That's okay. I like this color though. I like this. So we got, there's really no nice way to say this. We got a goat right here. Yeah, that's what we got. We got a goat just absolutely laying the pipe on this other goat right here in this nice green, hunter's green hoodie. That's pretty nice. I mean, I don't know how often I'll be wearing this. I don't know if Alyssa's parents would really appreciate this hoodie or anything like that, or if, you know, my dad would think it's all that funny, but I might wear it. Why not? You know, YOLO. I'm 19 years old, you know, I'm a grown-ass man.
Watch your profanity.
So, yeah, but that's really it in the box. I'll do a little preview here of what we got. So, we got this hoodie right here. We got this hat. We got this Beavis and Butthead shirt. We got this I Love Hot Moms flag. We got this stupid face diaper looking thing, and we got I Love Hot Moms lanyard. So overall, not a horrible box. Definitely not the best I've ever gotten, but definitely better than the first one I ever got. That was horrible. That was a terrible take on a mystery box. These are all the same though. So I mean, if you're watching this video and you're like, wow, this is exactly what I got, yeah, it's because they're all the same. If you're watching this video after you just watched another one, they're exactly the same. So don't bother going and watching other ones because they're all going to be exactly the same. But yeah, let's get to the outro. Thank you guys for watching. Alrighty, yo, if you guys made it all the way to the end of this video, you are a real one, and I love you guys so much. I am going to pick a winner of that giveaway. The other Danny Duncan Mystery Box video that I did, I still have that shirt, and I'm waiting to do the giveaway on that. I'm sorry that I haven't done it yet. I'm just super busy right now. So what I'll have you guys do is go into the comments and say, I want the giveaway. That's going to be for the other Danny Duncan Mystery Box. This box I'm going to do a giveaway on. It just won't be for like a couple of weeks probably until I can kind of get rid of the other giveaway. Not get rid of it, but give away the other one. And I don't want to have two giveaways going at the same time, so I will probably give away something in this as well, so make sure you stay tuned on the channel for that. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe. Just comment, I want the giveaway, subscribe to the channel, and like this video. If you want to go to the other Danny Duncan Mystery Box video, I believe it was only 2 videos ago, just go to that video and comment it on there as well. I will take into account all the people that comment, I want the giveaway in this video, though I'll give you guys another entry, so yeah, it's about going to wrap it up. Thank you guys for bearing with me. If you guys are OGs on this channel, thank you guys so much for sticking with me, and hopefully you guys will continue to watch my videos from here on. I want to do some car content, some different things I'm doing to my car, putting stripes on it. I'm also changing out the chrome emblems for black, so maybe I'll show you guys that process, but for now, this is probably going to be all you guys see of me for this whole month, but hopefully I can develop some more content for you guys that actually watch my channel. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. As always, stay hype. Peace.